How to get unbanned from Claude AI. Looking for a way to appeal a ban on Claude AI? In this video, I'll show you how to submit an appeal and request a review of your account. First, open a browser on your phone or computer and search for Claude AI Safeguards and Warnings. Open the official Safeguards and Appeals page from the search results. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Submit an Appeal option and click on it. You'll then be asked to sign in using the account method you previously used with Claude, such as Google or your email address. After signing in, you'll need to explain why you believe your account was banned by mistake. Be clear, polite, and provide any relevant details that could help with the review. Make sure your appeal is accurate and that you understand Claude's usage policies. Once you've submitted the appeal, the support team can review your case. If they determine that the restriction was applied incorrectly, your account may be restored. And that's it. That's how you can submit an appeal if your Claude AI account has been banned. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.